How you feeling today, Dad? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I thought you wanted to be discharged tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, well then how are you feeling?
I feel
Discharged.
You feel discharged? In order to get discharged, do you feel thumbs up or thumbs down?
do you feel good? Hi. Do you feel good?
Excellent.
Excellent. I
Good.
love it.
Good deal.
What number are you? 1 to 10. 1 to 10, how do you feel? I feel like number
And yeah.
10.
Okay. You ready to escape this place?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.